like you being on the right side of the candle, like where like basically like you know how like a new 15-minute candle would open, right? You want to know when to get in on that new 15-minute candle. Uh, so that's what we know when to get in on that. Like when to know when the wick on that 15-minute candle or the wick on that 1 hour candle is like solidified and like price. You know that whatever that wick is now becomes like a protected wick. I was hoping that ES came down and took out this low, which wouldn't have stopped me from out of my trade with a new little S&T. She's doing too much. 4 hours CE was perfect for entry last night. Right here, pretty perfect. Nice little entry. Very little drawdown. Huh? Very little drawdown. Yeah, very little drawdown. I should have closed out right here, huh?
We've retested the 30-minute midpoint IFVG. That would have been our entry.
I give it S&T.
And now we have a fair value where
move my shit up right here. Not be trailing. Trail my shit. I think it's gonna give me 3,600 this time. Yeah, I ain't sure. I was on 7K though, man. I should have took that shit yesterday, but like on a 1 hour time frame, the reason I held it was because we gave a change of state and like we left these people eyes up there. But I didn't know that we had put in a fucking S&T. So ES came and took out the highs and NASDAQ didn't. So like this was actually my TP, but I didn't get it because fucking nigga did me down bad.
wait for this 5 minutes to close. If we run out the high first, I'll start looking for some type of. We have around liquidity.
I don't want it to be honest. You're talking about for S&P? Oh no. I wasn't really expecting that. I was expecting S&P. S&P was like the weaker indice at the time. I was expecting that one to do so. Let's look at YM because I'm not understanding why neither one of those came into combat that low. Okay, that's why. Look at YM. YM came in took out that low. I was about to say, why the hell slowly could get taken out? Yes or not? That's why YM came and took it out. We still could possibly come and take that out too because we just can't stuff out that high. You know? Let's see. We'll see. But for now, that's the reason why we didn't take out that low. Uh, we had a strong displacement back to the upside, but we just swept that high up. We closed back below this low. We most likely are going to continue down. I'm going to move my stop to move right here now. We just had a chance to deliver on a 5 minutes to the upside, but what I want to wait on is to see what this 1 hour candle does. We got 20 minutes left. We're shriveling up right now. Especially if we get if we get this change in state and delivery on a 5 minute time frame within the next 5 minutes, that means that the next 1 hour candle is going to be a distribution candle to the upside. Target out these highs, which we can get on side of that next 1 hour candle to distribute the upside instead of like trying to like guess on
Like that we run the high out first.
correct change of state of delivery and etc. Right, we can wait for this candle to finish. That again, this is going to be on class tonight as well.
Order filled.
Knowing when to get in and knowing when what candles to actually get in on, as far as like distribution, like as far as like when candles have like these long wicks, and then the candles that you really want to get on side distribution is when you have these candles with these very very small wicks. But
I did not want to enter the two.
But for right now, we can get this.
Wait, am I buying?
Time frame that would definitely, it's okay to take
Order filled.
like a very really good entry, but waiting to get on side of distribution would be for the next on the next
Order filled.
above the same statement that's going to be like really 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 good. So something like that. We are already on sensing delivery on ES. I can see that we haven't got gave one on that Nasdaq yet. We have S&T as well. Yeah, YM took that S&T. And I was actually talking about this in my free Discord last night. I was doing a Q&A with them, and I was talking about how like people would look at this and be like, I don't want to take this trade because we didn't give an S&T, but they didn't go and look at YM just to see if YM beat that S&T, and they'll be, they'll be cooked. Or not cooked, they'll just miss out on a trade and then try to catch a trade later on and then get cooked. You got shot clock. Cut out the noise. I can see that we right now on the 5 minute time frame. As long as we get this same state delivery right, and we next 1 hour candle open, we can catch the distribution on the next 1 hour candle, which will be really simple. We just want that next 1 hour candle to come in for the week to the downside, and then get outside of that.
I like that we run out the high.
Yeah, I'm already in the trade, but we can go ahead and catch you guys. I would actually like to add to the super rate. Might add to it. On one contract.
How does that affect your average adding it in at this point?
What is that?
How does that affect your average by adding it in at this point?
You've only doing one trade per day now.
I thought when I do add in, if I add in at like 5%, and I'm up like $5,000, that means it'll just average me in probably like up here
You're
like
saying about $200
or something like that. Do you trade pre-market? Yeah. To be honest, I trade all sessions because I read the market like a book clockwork. So like I kind of trade except for London, and that's because I be asleep. But like I trade an Asian session now. I trade London. I mean not London. I trade New York session. So it just depends. I know today I traded pre-market. I was in this sale. I was in this sale right here to the downside. All my top ups and kind of shit. So yeah, I was in this, but I got in before pre-market open, so I got in way up here. So I got it up here on a wait. Let me see on a 1 minute time frame. I got it right here. This is where I got it at right here. With my stop loss above this wick right here. And again, I'll actually show you guys exactly why I got into that trade later on.
Thinking Wednesday will go run on Thursday, on Tuesday low. I don't think
I didn't take it on S&P. I did. I was already in Nasdaq. Stop loss should go where? On what trade? Why don't you trade that 100 on a CFD broker. You could be having multiple positions on one account. Are you talking about like a forex broker? That's because I don't trade forex bro, as well. I don't like forex. This is not my thing. I would close the button that changes state of delivery. I would just need this candle to close, just to kind of confirm because we need this candle to be an inside bar on the 1 hour time frame. It's not really a confirmed inside bar yet until this 1 hour candle closes. Now, once this 1 hour candle closes, because and I said that to say because we've already had a super huge range of this candle already. This candle has already been 120 points already. So I wouldn't want to see this candle close before I decide to get on side of like this candle again. And then also this sit down to this order block and this for rally gap if it closes now a confirm particular low, right? Which means again all we just need to do is just wait for the next candle to open, get outside of that candle for distribution to go back higher, and then our target is going to be this is all low resistance liquidity right here. All these failure swings are low resistance liquidity. So I expect all this to come get taken out to possibly stopping where this order block is. So like that would be like final TP for me, like that this order block area right here, or possibly this conversion for rally gap right here because we never came back to retest it after closing below it. So I can see that those being proper targets. We got 17 minutes left. And I'm not saying y'all can't get an early entry. Y'all know the older students who've been here. Y'all know how to treat
I would have got in, but I'm already up for the defense.
Yeah. That was like y'all know how to trade already.
And then in that 5 minute close there, the street state like, yeah, that's it right there. But fuck it.
Yeah, I thought in a 1 minute time frame there was you could have taken this change state on a 1 minute, came back to retest the change
Yeah, the
state
retest, yeah.
to go back higher. You could have did that, or you could have the protective blow right thing right here, right down
Situation.
yeah, close back up, right, stop loss below here, you wish to the upside. Y'all know the
We got different tools, man. Different tools.
mm-hmm.
No, but I was looking for those lows too, man. I was in that trade looking for those lows, and I was like, yo, that should be, he's not gonna give it to me. Why he actually goes down immediately, bro?
Thinking about life, I was crazy. It's crazy. Big why still going down. My life. What we listening to, man? Someone listen to Wale. I've never listened to a Wale song in my life, man. It's something like that song they had with Drake. Yeah, Dice Pineapple.
They play his new album or what?
What song you want me to play?
Let's see, we can go to or Belly, one of those.
Number on my belly. Hold on. Yeah.
Belly. That, you know, just go with Belly. That shit fire.
Belly. Yeah, I don't see the camera. Need ES to come and take that higher. Well, even if it doesn't, again, we're still looking for this one. This we got 15, another 15 minutes is open, so we still looking for nice close above that. We got those equal highs right there. We look on the 1 minute time frame. I wish we had a little bit much more structure, but I had to get into this trade a little bit early. Where my lady before? Do y'all listen to Toronto rap? I ain't even know you rap in Toronto. I ain't gonna lie. Matter of fact, I'm lying. What's the dude's name? Central C, who had a song with them, and the baby. I think that's the first time I heard like some some Toronto rap. Drake don't count. We from Memphis. That dude's not from Toronto. That dude's not from Toronto. Oh, Central C from UK, not from Toronto. Oh, my bad. The accent is atrocious. I go crazy. I'm trying to. I go crazy. Did y'all hear the music? Come on. Okay. If it goes above that candle, would it be a good entry? No, because price is not reaching to anything. Bearish didn't reach into anything.
Alright, when 10 o'clock open up, she gonna come down.
Mm-hmm.
She could come down, put you in bad drawdown, and you might not stick to it.
Yeah, like, it'd be more so like, thinking about like, what's the higher probability of something happening? It could very well give it, but it's just a higher risk because it doesn't have a protective load. Like, it's an older block that is formed, but it's not. It's a protective load. It's not a protective load, and that makes it a little bit much more dangerous. My key level is little. Missing out on it. You gotta stop. You gotta stop trusting yourself. Good shit. I see. You gotta start trusting yourself. Where's the nearest at this very moment? Right here, way down 24, 40. The nearest protective load on the 1 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, it's way down there. Be coming down right now. Looks like we're about to come and tap this. There's an open rally gap right now at the moment. This can form a possible entry model.
Maybe let's throw that back right there.
We take it out. Jesus. 5 minutes into the candle open. I'm up 8 racks, man. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to average in. It's fun. Is there news at 10 a.m.? Is there? Today is Wednesday? Yeah, we got it ain't no serious news. Hey, what are the different entry models? Yeah. We'll go over it tonight. Dallas last night, 7:30. It was always 7:30. I'm up 8,800 right now. You ever thought about getting a 740i? No. At 10, do you think about they're gonna retest? At 10, the new candle, the new 10 o'clock candle opens, and we will, you know, get a entry model to do whatever we need to do. I'm mad I didn't take my entry, just watching it go. You just took a payout today. Wait till your payout go through, or you start trying to do the most. Do you still do what I'm saying, bro? Yes. As long as you got your notes, just make me what your notes. Yeah, down.
They don't even want to give.
I'm bored. I'm bored. Yeah, I'll just secure $10,000. Damn, I did not mean to do that. Sell shit, and I ended up buying. I'll just secure 10K. I ain't true.
I'm like, they moving like way up there, man. Yo, man.
That's 1 million gonna close
Right
out.
next to the
Crazy.
no one closes out. Fuck it, man.
You think the NVIDIA earnings report will make the market move today? So I be telling people all the time when it comes to like reports and stuff, like people think that kind of moves the market, and it doesn't move the market. It actually just confirms like it just makes the market move quicker. That's just all. All right, 10 o'clock candle just open. Let's get us an entry. 1K out 2 positions. Shit. Catalyst, yeah, catalyst.